Hi everyone, myself Nitin MS from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Currently I am studying in 6th semester and Department of Computer Science and Engineering. In this video I am going to present the topic about Introduction to HTML and Structure of HTML. First of all, the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. The founder of HTML language was Tim Berners-Lee. He invented HTML language in 1993. Before learning something, we have to know why we are learning it. When it comes to HTML, it is a simple markup language. Its implementation is easy. It is used to create a website, helps in developing fundamentals about web programming, boost professional career. Features of HTML. It is easy to learn and easy to use. It is platform independent. Images, videos and audio can be added to a web page. Hypertext can be added to the text. It is a markup language. Advantages of HTML. HTML is used to build websites. It is supported by all browsers. It can be integrated with other languages like CSS, JavaScript, etc. Disadvantages of HTML. HTML can only create static web pages. For dynamic web pages, other languages have to be used. A large amount of code has to be written to create a simple web page. As we have discussed previously, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to design web pages using a markup language. HTML is the combination of hypertext and markup language. Hypertext defines the link between web pages. A markup language is used to define the text document within the tag, which defines the structure of web pages. This language is used to annotate text so that a machine can understand it and manipulate text accordingly. Most markup languages are human readable. The language uses tags to define what manipulations has to be done on the text. HTML is a markup language used by the browser to manipulate text, images, and other content in order to display it in the required format. HTML was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1993. The first ever version of HTML was HTML 1.0, but the first standard version was HTML 2.0, published in 1995. Below figure is the evolution of HTML from the beginning and now what we are using it. Now let us discuss about the structure of HTML, elements and tags. HTML uses predefined tags and elements which tell the browser how to properly display the content. Remember to include closing tags. If not closed, the browser applies the effect of the opening tag until the end of the page. This is the small example about the structure. Like the brackets are nothing but the tag elements, and the opening tag and the closing tag for a simple alphabet like B. Now let us look at the page structure of HTML. The basic structure of an HTML page is laid out below. It contains the essential building block elements, that is, doc type declaration, HTML, head, title, and body elements, upon which all web pages are created. For example, doc type HTML. This tells the version of HTML on which the HTML is working. HTML tag, it is the start and the end of all the HTML codes. And this head tag is used as the backend tool. All the things typed in the head tags will not be visible to the users. And next comes the body tag. Whatever things are typed in the body tag will be visible to the users. That is nothing but the front end part of the HTML. Now let us briefly know what are the tags like doc type HTML. This is the document type declaration. It declares a document as being a HTML document. The doc type declaration is not case sensitive. Uh, the doc type declaration is not case sensitive. This means the tag that is there in, for example, doc type can be written in uppercase as well as the lowercase. There won't be any difference in that. Next comes the HTML tag. This is called the HTML root element. All other elements are contained within it. As said previously, it is the start and the end of the HTML code. Next comes the head tag. The head tag contains the behind the scenes elements for a web page. Elements within the head aren't visible on the front end of a web page. HTML elements used inside the head element include style, title, base, no script, script, meta, link. These are all the tags that come under head tag. First, style tag. This HTML tag allows us to insert styling into our web pages and make them appealing to look at with the help of CSS. As we have discussed before, HTML can be integrated with other languages. For the use of style tag, we have to integrate the HTML with CSS. Next comes the title tag. The title is used in displaying on the top of your browser when you visit a website and contains title of the web page that you are viewing. Base tag. It specifies the base URL for all relative URLs in a document. No script defines a section of HTML that is inserted when the scripting has been turned off in the user's browser. Script. This tag is used to add functionality in the website with the help of JavaScript. For the script tag, now we are integrating the HTML to the JavaScript. Meta. This tag encloses the metadata of the website that must be loaded every time the website is visited. For example, the metadata charset allows you to use the standard UTF-8 encoding in your website. This in turn allows the users to view your website in the language of their choice. It is a self-closing tag. That means meta tag no need to be closed manually. Link tag. The link tag is used to tie together HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It is a self-closing as well. Next comes the body tag. The body tag is used to enclose all the visible content of a web page. In other words, the body tag is what the browser will show on the front end. An HTML document can be created using any text editor. Save the text file using .html or .htm. Once saved as an HTML document, the file can be opened as a web page in the browser. Let us end this video here. Thank you for visiting my channel.